On.
If I could forget him, I would, please believe me. And I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. Hey, you treat me so much better than him, and if I was saying there'd be no competition, but I'm in love with someone else, and I'm so sorry. Hey, yeah. I can't explain why it's him and not you, but at the end of the day, I just don't want to, 'cause he ain't no doctor, no, and we always seem to fight. He got the perfect body, and sometimes he don't even treat me right. But when I do what I do, baby, 'cause I'm in love with someone else, and I'm so sorry, but I'm in love with someone